Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the features that let Assistant work with the screen off. Open Google Assistant settings, go to Voice Match, and train your voice if prompted. Once done, make sure Assistant is allowed on the lock screen and microphone access is granted. You're not configuring routine automations yet. You're providing the core permissions set so Assistant can listen when the display is off. Do this now so the following steps can keep you hands-free and secure. Next, adjust lock screen response and power behavior so Assistant stays responsive. In Assistant settings, choose how much info appears on the lock screen, limited for privacy, full for convenience. Then go to Android battery settings and exempt Google and the Assistant app from aggressive optimization so they can wake the mic. Also make sure Do Not Disturb allows Assistant's brief alerts. These steps prevent the system from silencing or stopping Assistant when the screen is off. Finally, test your setup by saying, "Hey Google," with the display off and listening for a response. If it doesn't wake, reopen Voice Match and retrain your voice, then verify microphone and lock screen permissions. If problems persist, restart the device, update the Google app, and ensure battery saver is off. Hardware mic issues can mimic software faults, so try a voice recording app to confirm the mic works. This quick checklist gets most users back to hands-free control fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.